Okay, I had to put this in the video because look, I'm wiping it off my arm with a makeup removing wipe. And can we just see that? Oh my goodness. Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. We are going to be trying out Pinky Rose Cosmetics. Yes, I'm going to try their base and I'm also going to try their eyeshadow. To see, hey, is this company interesting? Is it good? Is it worth it? I don't know. Let's go ahead and just roll on over to that video. I'm gonna show you guys swatches. I'm gonna show you guys this bold eye look I'm wearing today. So before we jump in, this is Pump Your Base, right? It's a base or an eyeshadow. And these are exotic peacock colors, which are absolutely gorgeous. It has a mirror on there. Let's go ahead and just roll on over to that video and see what do we actually think about Pinky Rose.
So TikTok,
You always doing the TikTok.
What?
You always doing the TikTok.
I can do what I want. I pay my bills. My bills are paid. Don't do that.
Okay, dang.
Just messed up my whole little video, but now I gotta
This is
restart.
Pump Your Base by Pinky Rose Cosmetics. It comes with 2 sticks, right? It can actually be used, you saw how I applied that one. It can be used as a eyeshadow base or just an eyeshadow. It can be used under the eye and above the eye. The nice thing is they dry down pretty rapidly, and I can see why people like these because they're creamy. They go on pretty darn smooth. And if you feel that you want it more creamy, you put it on your finger, apply it, and then you can put eyeshadows on top and they'll be more vibrant. For example, this is Exotic Peacock by Pinky Rose. I'm just gonna grab a purple here and go on top of this and show you guys how much more vibrant they are with a colored base. Here are the swatches. You can see with the bases, those lines right there, how much more pigmented they are. And if it's on bare skin, it's really not that much. You can see it's a huge difference from wearing their base versus not wearing their base. Like night and day. Okay, so I'm done doing my makeup. These are some of the best towels that you can get, honestly, guys. If you have really long hair and you want a really good quality towel that's thick, look at this. These are amazing. I think they're like 2 for $10. I'll post the link down below, but these were in that Facebook group that we run a bunch of deals and specials. These are like heavy duty, probably some of the best. And you know what? When you have the hook and the button, it makes it so much easier. But let's go ahead and pull the hair down and see what my hair looks like. Okay, so you guys can see the hook, right? The button, the hook, you just take it down or take it down, just undo it. And look how much water this towel absorbed. It is like not sopping. It's very, very wet right here. Like it takes a lot of this moisture out of your hair. Plus, if you do your makeup, you can see my makeup is all on it right there. It doesn't get in your hair. Okay, so I am done getting ready. What do I think of the eyeshadow palette and the base, right? These are eyeshadow slash bases for your eyes, right? I actually like these crayons. I think that they make the eyeshadows like so vivid. And this is what I noticed. Okay, so if you're one of those girls who want a buildable coverage, then I think these are great, right? But if you want them to be like one sweep, you do have to have a base on the eye before putting these on. Now, a lot of people like to put foundation on all over their face, on their eyelids, and then put this on. Would it be as vibrant? I will say this. So when you get these eyeshadows, if you're going to put them on just like foundation or bare skin, my biggest recommendation, so I'm just grabbing 2 colors here. My biggest recommendation, because you can see that they can kind of go a little washy on the skin, but you're like, why is this one more vivid, right? It's because when you put them on the bare skin, you do have to put a lot of pressure. So using your fingers, look at that. You have to put a lot more pressure, but they do come out pigmented. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's on bare skin. But if I were to do a light pressure, let me show you. Wipe these off. I'm gonna grab the same 2, right? We're gonna go in here. Same 2 exact ones. Now, if you go in and do a light pressure, you can see that they're a whole lot more transparent. So when you go in with these colors, just make sure that you're pushing down with your fingers. These perform really good on the skin with your fingers. What do I think of it? I like it. I really do. I think that it's universal for everybody as far as like pigmentation wise. Press, you get a lot of pigment with your fingers. Use a base like this. Their, what is it? Pump Your Base by Pinky Rose. Use their bases and you get a whole lot of payoff. Like, yeah, wow, I'm gonna change my shirt because my eyeshadows do not match my shirt. But I'll post the information if you guys want to check it out down below. And I know this wasn't actually supposed to be in this video, but it is the Tarte Glotion Skin Perfector. I actually like this. Look at how my makeup looks. I look kind of glowy, don't I? I think I do. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope that you guys try something new, because you know what? We don't want to be routine. We don't want to be boring. Try something new. Go to a movie by yourself. Enjoy life. Embrace it. You know what? It's okay to be by yourself sometimes because you're alone with your thoughts and your emotions. And a lot of times, that's very healthy for the soul. So anyways, I'll post everything down below, but let's go ahead and just roll on over to the quote of the day. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye. Okay, I had to put this in the video because look, I'm wiping it off my arm with a makeup removing wipe. And can we just see that? Oh my goodness. Okay, let me get another wipe. Man, do these bases really like stay put? Look at that. This is a makeup removing wipe that's supposed to remove makeup with witch hazel, right? I'm gonna look, I have to push really hard to get that off. Wow. So if you're wearing these on your eyes, the base, I think that's amazing. Of course, my arm has really dry skin in comparison to my eyelids, but that is amazing. Talk about staying put and not moving. Look at this. Just bam. I will recommend you using a makeup removing wipe that has a pinch of oil though, because we don't want to be too abrasive on the skin.